everybody, this is Alan and I am going to show you a map in Overwatch, and then I will do a level design analyze of this map. So this map is called LIjiangTower, and this map is a Chinese map. So you can see that there are a lot of Chinese cultural element here. The reason of why I picked this map because it was designed very like symmetrically. Um, like two sides of the map have almost exactly the same structure, same resources. Um, therefore, um, I chose this map because I think fairness are very important in the multiplayer games, especially in first-person shooter games. Because first-person shooter game, it's the kind of the hardest games I ever played. Okay, so let's check out the map here. We can see that here's a health point, and actually here is another one. So two health points at the very front door here, and the other exits can make sure that you can get the resources, and actually you can pass the second floor, go to the next building, which is kind of convenient to me, because when the map has different layers, players can actually do more stuffs. They're more fun. Um, if I am a sniper, I'm playing a sniper role, then I will probably always stay on high ground, and it's really good for me to snipe at somebody. So if we choose to rush the front door here, we can see that here is very obviously this thing is the very central landmark of this whole map. So if you reach this point, I think it's telling you that you have reached the middle point. And then here we can see that there's one health point in the middle point. Um, I think it's kind of necessary because when you actually get into this area, you will approach the enemies, and then you guys will actually start fighting already. So I personally think that these two health points are kind of are really smart design because um, it makes sure that players can have multiple fights around this area, which means there are more times they will spend on against each other, which is giving people more choices and more fun. And right now we actually really enter the building here, so it's very obvious that we are in the very middle of this whole map. And if we just see through from here, we can actually see that their base are a spaceship too. So we can see very much the same. So if they rush the front door here, they will see one health point, and there are actually gonna be two health point for them too. Alright, some of the people might call this lazy design because symmetrically design are kind of lazy, I think, because you basically just copy everything, paste them and then put them in different directions. But when players against each others, I think we're supposed to reduce the difficulty from the map to the very least. I personally think that's important because um, nobody wants to lose because their map don't have health point, don't have enough health point, or their side of the base has less building. If they don't have this building here, then it's gonna be a big trouble. Because if they don't have this building here, then um, the blue side, the people from the blue side can just stand here, can stand in the middle in the window of here and then keep sniping them because they only have one way to get out, which is the middle point here. They will have no protection on the very left side, so it's kind of dangerous. On that point, I think symmetrically design are kind of are very important. And now let's see the middle point, how they designed it, the middle point of the map. Okay, so if we take out of this whole object here, then this map is gonna be plain and very boring because whenever you comes in here, you all the thing you have to do is just fire at each other. Basically, you are just comparing like who is gonna like get shot first. Um, I think this obstacle here gives people more space and more choices to dodge, to try to like play different actions. Some of them might gonna stand up here. Uh, when this obstacle is occupying the very central area because it's obviously you can just you cannot just hit the enemy through like by these obstacles, so you have to stand up here maybe, or you have to run a circle. So this is very simple design but useful and very effective. For here, for this one, for this building, I personally think this house is for the comeback. If one of the side loses their fight just yet, they can actually regroup here really fast in a very fast speed, so they can start next wave already. I think like it will keep the game going, so it's very important design. um, and So basically, this is all I want to say about this map. Alright, thank you. Have a good day.